Want to introduce to you the Light 2 Residences by SM Development Corporation located in Boni MRT Station. May 4 floors na mall. One of the largest mall na nasa residential condominium. Ito po yung Light 1 and Light 2 Residences. Hi! Nandito ako ngayon sa Light Mall. Ito po ay located in Boni MRT Station. At ito pong mall na to ay 4 floors na ito rin po ay isa sa mga amenities ng Light Residences. And now, I will present to you the Light 2 Residences. So ito po yung ating construction ng Light 2 Residences Tower 1 and 2. Tapos ito naman ako ngayon sa Light Mall Residences. Yan. So may connecting bridge yan pag nagawa na po itong Tower 1 and 2. Ang completion date po niya ay estimate po is 1 to 2 years from now. Okay? So yan, ongoing po ang construction pero nakita nyo naman nakatayo na po yung building. Yan. So every year naman magbibigay ako ng mga project construction updates here in my YouTube channel. Okay, I'm very excited kasi nakakatuwa na tong Light Mall. Okay, tapos magkakaroon siya ng twin sister, twin brother here sa Light 2 Residences. Ngayon, yung showroom is nasa 2nd floor. Nakita nyo naman, ito is Light 1 Residences pa lang. Pero ito is composed ng 4 floors. Diba? Punong-puno na siya ng commercial area. So, kung ikaw may kailangan ka habang nasa condo ka, hindi mo na kailangan mag-commute, lahat ng kailangan mo nandito na rin sa isang building. Ayan, puntahan na natin yung SMDC showroom kung saan natin makikita yung Light 2 Residences. Punta tayo. Hello sir. Apo. I want to introduce to you the Light 2 Residences by SM Development Corporation located in Boni MRT Station here in Mandaluyong City. So ito po ay composed ng 2 towers. Ito po ay up to 46 floors. Meron din po tayong basement parking na may commercial at meron din po tayong residential parking. Ang address po nito ay nasa Madison Street, Barangay Barangka, Ilaya, Boni, Mandaluyong City. So ito po yung EDSA. Yan. Yan. Tapos kung familiar po kayo sa MRT Boni Station, nandito po yung Boni, Boni MRT Station. Pagbaba nyo, konting walking distance na lang, nandyan na po yung Light Residences. So the exciting part also, sa location na ito ay magkakaroon po tayo ng Mega Manila Subway. So yun po ay walking distance lang din sa Light 2 Residences. Ang tawag po sa kanyang station is South Ortigas Station. So yun po ay 36 kilometers lines that caters Pasig, Makati, Taguig, Pasay, Naiya, and BGC. So this is a very powerful address here in Mandaluyong City in the heart of EDSA. Bukod sa transit-oriented itong Light 2 Residences, marami siyang features at ang centerpiece ng project na ito is the 8th floor or yun po yung ating private urban park. Kasi ito po ay dinesign ng renowned international landscape architecture firm ALN or Adrian L. Norman, an award-winning international firm with offices in Hong Kong and Kuala Lumpur. This amenity, which is located in 8th floor, yan po ay magiging center of activity for the whole community ng Tower 1 and 2. Of course, it will strengthen your family bonds and friendships. Siyempre, sa mga neighbors po ninyo. At meron po siyang swimming pool. Yan, meron po tayong swimming pool. Meron po tayong outdoor gym. Meron din po tayong indoor gym. May dance studio, may game room, at mayroong function room. So, nakita nyo ito. Kasi ito po is light 2. So, the ground floor up to 4th floor is, yan po ay mall. So, since this is the light 2, may connecting bridge po siya dito. Okay? Yung connecting bridge po na yon, yun po yung kung saan tayo nandito ngayon, which is the light mall. Yan. So, magkakonekta sila. Okay? So, very accessible. Isipin mo, dalawang mall pinagsama, 4th floor mall sa light 2, 4th floor mall sa light 1. I think that is the biggest residential condominium with integrated mall inside. This is also perfect for not only for personal use, this is also great for business or for your real estate investment. Kasi ito po ay unang-una, ito po ay minamanage ng Greenlease. Sila po ang property management ng Light 2 Residences. At of course, kung gusto nyo po ng short-term or long-term or Airbnb, ang Light 2 Residence po ay minamanage ng yan po ay worry-free ownership kasi kahit kayo po ay nasa abroad, sila na po ang magmamanage lahat. Okay, so let's review itong kabuuan ng scale model ng Light 2 Residences. So ito po, may 4 levels siya ng parking. Yan, basement to 2nd floor, 4-level mall. May 4-level mall siya, yung nasusunod. Tapos residential parking 4 to 7 floors. Okay, 4 to 7 floors. Tapos ang 8th floor, yan po yung ating amenity. Okay. Yan. Tapos, yung after the amenities, 9 to 46 floors. Yan. Yan na po yung ating residential. Tapos, sa dulo po is roof deck. Okay? So, both towers 1 and 2, meron po siyang 8 elevators each. So, ano ba yung ma-expect nating views pag nag-avail tayo dito sa Light 2 Residences? Ano ba yung ambience na ina-expect natin? So, meron po tayong Ortigas CBD, meron tayong Pasig River View, kasi ito ang Boni, katabi lang to ng Guadalupe. Kaya alam niyo yung mga billboard ni Catherine Bernardo, ayan, ayan. So, yan po yung ating Pasig River View, okay? Tapos, meron po tayong Mandaluyong views. And of course, meron tayong Makati CBD views. Ayan. So, if you want a good location, just contact me. Ipipili ko po kayo ng magandang location ng views ng condo. This is the Light 2 Residences. So, ang construction update po nito ay pre-selling siya at ginagawa pa siya, pero nakatayo na siya, kulang na lang siya ng paint finish. Ito po, ay ang lot area po nito ay 10,936 square meter or 1 hectare. Ang completion date po nito, estimate is 2024 to 2025. License to sell number po nito is 035119. I'm here now sa showroom ng Light 2 Residences. At pati itong ambience ng reception nila is match po sa interior design din ng Light 2 Residences. As you can see, sa name pa lang ng condo nito is Light Residences. Light lang po yung dating ng interior. Tingnan nyo po yung ceiling, color white, tapos may mga lightning lang siya. Tapos meron tayong white marble stones here. Tapos meron tayong reflective lights. Meron pa po tayong mga mutual color palette. Okay? So, mutual, hindi man ako interior designer, pero I think, ang ibig sabihin nun is medyo magkakaparehas yung mga color. Walang biglang red, walang biglang blue. Ganon. So, parang, ang motif nito is light brown with gold and elegance. Okay? Yan. Okay? So, tingnan natin ulit. Okay? Para mas ma-feel nyo yung 360-degree view nitong ating showroom. Okay? Kumbaga, patikim pa lang to ng lobby ng Light 2 Residences. Okay? So, tingnan niyo po yung paligid, reflective lights. Pagdating ng panahon na tayo na po itong Light 2 Residences, I think 1 to 2 years from now, yan, papasukin na natin. At least ngayon, medyo mafe-feel natin yung pakiramdam ng interior design ng Light 2 Residences. So ngayon, nilibot ko pa yung buong showroom. Kanina nandun tayo sa harap. Medyo pumunta ako dito sa loob. Medyo nafe-feel ko na yung pakiramdam ng ambience ng Light 2 Residences. Ganito kasi siya eh. From the word itself, light. So, combination ng brown, tapos may mga greeneries. Relax. Relax lang yung ambience. Hindi mo maiisip yung mga... Kumbaga, pag uwi mo ng condo, peace of mind ka na. Wala ka nang iisipin. Okay? So, kilala naman ng SMDC sa mga hotel-like lobbies nila eh. Okay? So, ayan. Sarap mag-relax, no? Ayan, dito. Yung interior, white marble stone with reflective lights, mutual color palette. Ayan, ganyan po yung ating may expect here in SMDC Light 2 Residences. As a summary for this project ng SMDC, napakaganda nitong project na to kasi it's very accessible sa Metro Manila kasi nasa gitna siya ng EDSA. You have the Boni MRT station, you have the Mega Manila subway in the future na malapit to sa station. Accessibility, yes, kasi ang mall niya times 2. Para kang na-connecting bridge lang siya sa Light Residences. So, ito nga yung tinatawag nila one of the largest residential condominium with mall kasi multiply by 2 yung kanyang malls. And for the interior design, yan, napaka-light, napaka-relaxing. And the price is very affordable sa location niya. Here in Mandaluyong kasi nasa bungad lang kayo. You have, hindi lang puro MRT, Mega Manila, you have the option na meron ka ring option for buses, for public transportation, lahat ng klase. And of course, for business, tataas pa ang value nito, ang Light Residences in the future. So, if you have more questions sa mga computations and details, you can just email me. It's gracederealtor.smdc@gmail.com. You can also contact me in Viber at sa aking social media in Facebook. My name is Grace the Realtor. Let's find your happy place. Gusto mong mag-grocery, bababa ka lang. Tapos ito, nag-grocery ka. Okay, kaso walang laman.